Assalamualaikum friends. Hello friends. Hello everyone. Once again, welcome to my core channel, Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be mighty. Keep you happy, keep you home safe, happy. May you continue to enjoy like this. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful, amazing, stylish crochet flowers, patterns, designs, ideas collection. Beautiful flowers, beautiful patterns. Very amazing, colorful crochet. Different colors, flowers, patterns, designs, ideas collection. Beautiful designs, beautiful patterns. Very amazing, colorful crochet. Different designs, flowers, patterns, ideas collection. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also make sure to follow. Be sure to follow. Press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs. Show to people in the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs. Without your channel in the first time, you can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friend, this video is very helpful and useful. So I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend daily, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our video. If you want to watch fashion in videos, and if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone else. You can make a similar designs for yourself. This type of designs is very popular in my country and girls love such clothes. So friend, today video is amazing. Every video is a lovely designs. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in all kinds of fashion and method designs. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again.